Everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. Today we're coming back at you with another fun experiment. It's called Cork Launcher. So before we proceed to the experiment, I just want to remind you, if you haven't signed up for our summer reading program, it's called Read Square, you still have time to sign up because we're not doing a paper ticket like we always do in the past, in the previous year. So if you believe it or not, this is already week 8 of our summer reading at RPL. And after this, we're going to have our last experiment and we're done with the summer. I just cannot believe how time went fast, really quick. So today, what you need is for this experiment is, you need 6 popsicle sticks. If you don't have a small popsicle sticks like so, you can use the heavier one, the tallest one. And then you need a cube like this. This is a small cube, about like 1/2 inch, but you can use the bigger one if you don't have sizes like so. And then you need a clothing pin, just one of them. And then you need a cork, of course. I have 2 options. I have the bigger one like so, and I have this tiny one. Okay, you can find it in your wine bottle if your parents have so, but if you don't have corks, you can use pom-pom like so. Whatever happy object if you don't have corks or pom-pom. Of course, we need rubber band. We only need 2 of them. And then as an adhesive, you need masking tape like this. And then, or a glue if you don't have a masking tape. I would suggest using a glue gun because this Elmer's glue won't work. This is only works for paper, not for wooden stuff. We start. Okay, so first you want to do, you want to put aside everything because you will need this later, like so. And then you want to take your 3 popsicle sticks for now. Okay, so then you want to line it up like so, one on the top of the other, like that. So it's overlapping like this. I would suggest you take the masking tape. It will be easier. So you want to cut about 1/2 inch like this. Okay, and then you want to wrap around the popsicle sticks that overlap together, like so. So it's secure enough. Okay, and take another tape, and then put another masking tape in here. Okay, you're supposed to have something like this. So your first component is done. You want to set aside. Okay, so then you take another popsicle stick. I already have this one cube glued to it. So put another popsicle sticks on the top of the other, like so. And then you take your masking tape, like about 1/2 inch too, and then you overlap it into your popsicle sticks, like so. So it will create nice and easy, secure on the top of the other. Okay, and then do the same thing with the other popsicle sticks. This. So then you will have 2 sets of popsicle sticks. Okay, so the next step is kind of tricky part. If you want to help with your friends or your family, you can do it. So you take your glue gun and then you put a glue on your cube and then put it over that. It's just on the top of the tape a little bit. Okay, and then you take another glue and put it on the cube like so, and then you put it on the end. Alright, just be careful because glue gun can be hot sometimes, so don't hurt yourself. Just put a tiny glue on this thing, on the top, like that. And then put another cube on the top like so. It's all done. And then you can put a popsicle stick in here on the top, like that. Okay, so you should have something like this, 3 cubes in between the popsicle sticks. So I would call it like cube sandwiches. So, all right. Okay, so the next thing is you're going to secure this clothing pin on the top of the popsicle sticks, like so. So you wonder, like, how are we going to secure it? We're going to use a rubber band. So you would see in this clothing pin there's a hole in there. So you might want to secure it by tying it over on the hole there, like this. Okay, so I would suggest, like, put the rubber band too on the cube so it won't go anywhere, and we'll create a sturdy launching clothing pin like that. Okay, so that another tip is, if you want to glue your clothing pin into the popsicle stick, you can, but I would not on this project, just because I want this to be moved around a little bit, so it's kind of mobile too. So alright, so then you take another rubber band and a tape like this, and then you want to secure the rubber band into the cube like so. Like this. Okay? And then I will put tape, another tape to it, but don't over tape it because you might damage the cubes and then the popsicle sticks, like so. Like this. Alright. Okay, this is tricky part. So you have something like this, you're done, and then what you want to do is you stretch your rubber band into your clothing pin. Not on the back of the clothing pin, but in front of the clothing pin. Okay? So you're done, and then I would suggest not launching it and inside of your house. You might want to go to the backyard or the front yard or the basketball court. Okay, so I'm going to step back a little bit so I can launch my project. So I'm using the larger cork and put it in here in the middle so I can launch it. So, and you just launch it, your corks, like that. Okay, let's try one more time with the small one. This is the tiniest one of the cork. You just put it in there. Just be careful, don't aim it to somebody, okay? So then you just launch it. Oh, that's even harder. Let's try the pom-pom, see if the pom-pom works too. So you just put your rubber band in there again, and then put pom-pom. Let's do 2 of them so you can see the difference. Put 2 of these, like so, and then you just launch it. Oh, the purple one went fast, even further. Okay, so there you have it. This is your cork launcher. I know it's kind of a bit tricky. If you need help, don't hesitate to let us know, like, what is your problem and what you need help with. If I can, I will reply each one of you. And don't forget to sign up for our Read Square, and it will go through until August, the 2nd week of August. Alright? Until the next project, I hope you have a good day, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.